Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Qura Education System e-learning. It's your English lecture and I am your English teacher Anam. We have discussed our indefinite tense previous. Now we will discuss continuous tense. So for continuous tense, first of all, we are going to discuss here present continuous tense, as you can see on the screen. Continuous means that if you are doing some work and still you are doing it and it isn't complete, it's continuous. Okay, so present continuous, something you are doing right now and it's not continuous tense. Okay, so when to use continuous tense? Things that are happening now, for example, I am delivering lecture, or for plans in near present. For example, I can say that tomorrow I am going to post my new video or you are going to watch it. So that's also continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Good to know. What is good to know? Obviously, when we are forming a tense, first thing comes to our mind that word helping verb we are going to use in this tense. So in present continuous tense, we are going to use am for I, obviously for singular form. He is single and we are going to use is with it. For singular form, for example, we are going to use here is. It will be I, he, she, it, or any single noun. For plural forms, we are going to use are. As you can see here, we are, you are, they are, etc. Now move to the next one. Here are few examples of present continuous tense. Look at these sentences. I am talking on the phone. Right now I am talking on the phone, so it's present continuous tense. I didn't complete my call or I didn't end the call. The next one, we are cooking dinner. We are cooking dinner. It's mean our dinner isn't prepared yet. And the third one is Ali is walking in the garden. Ali is walking in the garden. So these are few examples of present continuous tense. Now move to the next one. How to form present continuous tense? It is very easy to form present continuous tense, and same pattern will be followed in past and future continuous tense also. Okay, so first of all comes subject. I already explained in my previous video what is the subject. Then we will use helping verb, which are is, are, am. These three you can use with their respective noun or subject. Second one is first form of verb. With first form of a verb, we are going to add some ing to make it continuous, and in the end will come object. Here are few examples of present continuous tense. I am working late. I am working late. As you can see, I have underlined am and working. Am is a helping verb and work first form of verb with ing. The next one is you are talking too fast. You are talking too fast. Talking, talk first form with ing. Next one, he, subject, is helping verb, watching first form of verb with ing, television, object. Obviously, this was the formation of present continuous tense, affirmative sentences. Now so let's continue. To make present continuous negative tense, it's very easy. You just have to add not in the affirmative formation and it will become negative. Same pattern will be followed in past continuous tense and future continuous tense as well. Subject, I'm discussing formation here. After that, helping verb, then not, first form of verb with ing, and in the last will come object. Here are few examples. I am not waiting for you. You are not looking for me. Just you can see here, after helping verb, here comes not, as I have mentioned in the formation. He is not sleeping late. She is not talking. Now move to the next one. Present continuous in questions or interrogative. It's very easy to make a question. The helping verb will come first. As you can see here, is, are, am. Then will come subject. After that, first form of verb with ing, and in the last will come object. Slight change in the formation is just that the helping verbs will come at the first place. Subject will move to the next one and rest will be the same. Here are few examples. Are we going in right direction? Are, you can see it's helping verb. We, subject, going, first form of verb with ing, and direction is object. Okay, are you arriving by ferry? Are, first form of helping verb. You, subject, arriving, first form of verb with ing, and ferry is object. The last one is she eating her lunch? Is helping verb. She is your subject. Eating, first form of verb with ing, and lunch your object. So this was our lecture for today. Thank you so much for giving me your time. If you have any question regarding to the video, you can contact me on these given informations, and please watch our videos on YouTube, follow us, subscribe us, and share my channel. The next one is also our Facebook link. You can go and watch our videos and know about our school or education system more. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.